श्रीगुरुवे नमः। तस्मै श्रीगुरुवे नमः।
And good morning to one and all. It's great pleasure for me today to be on the Teachers' Day, and I would like to say a few words about Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishna. Even though like you all know about him, just we can look a glance about him. And Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishna was born in a poor Brahmin family, and after that he was a very brilliant student. He has completed all his studies to the scholarship only. Moreover, he was a great teacher, and he is not even he has worked as a teacher even in India as well as outside India, that is Oxford University in UK also he was worked as a teacher, and he has lots of achievements in his life. Despite of all his achievement, he loved his role of as a teacher. He always have an interest towards the teaching profession. All his students and everyone feeling like inspired as a teacher like Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishna. And and he was the first Vice President of India and the second President of India after the independence. During that period, his friends, relatives, everyone forced him to celebrate his birthday. But he was reluctant to celebrate his birthday. Instead of that, he was telling like, let's celebrate my birthday as a Teacher's Day, because it is the noblest profession. We have to honor the teachers, so that we can celebrate Teacher's Day, he told. Since then, Sarvepalli Radhakrishna's birthday is celebrated as Teacher's Day. That is, every year September 5th is celebrated as his birthday day is celebrated as Teacher's Day. I don't want to grab a lot, but I want to ask you a few things. Few questions. After that we can wind up the speech. Like nowadays, after this corona, all those things started, like many companies are approaching us, like Byju apps are there. Okay, per subject they will charge some amount, and as well as this extra marks apps, all those things. So each lesson they will prepare the content, and they will give to us. We have to pay some amount like 7,000 something. So the content and the method of teaching, everything will be prepared by the app people, and they will deliver to us. But even though India has developed a lot, our country is developed in the matter of technology, why the teacher's role is not able to be replaced by the technology? You can look at the construction site. Before that, if we need 500 people to work, now within 200 people with the use of technology and everything, it is possible to do the works. But why even after the technological development in every place, 100 people work will be done through the technology, but in the teacher's place, still this, not even able to replaced by the technology. What will be the reason for that? What do you think about that? Because see, like you are a maths teacher, you are an English teacher, you are a Hindi teacher or Kannada teacher, whatever may be. Are you thinking your knowledge is more than what is there in the system? Whatever they are giving the features, you see, we are human beings, we will make errors, right? We will make errors, we will get tired. But the system is going to get tired. What you are explaining, the same thing, the system, if you want, the children will get explanation 10 times, right? We are human beings, we will make mistake. Through the technology, there is no mistakes we can found, because we can edit it and we can keep it as that, right? And depending upon the speed, we are very slow. We have to think and do each and everything. But system, it is very quick. So system and the computer technology is far smarter than us. Then why now also teachers are not? So technology is not able to replace the teachers. What is the reason behind that? The reason is only the teacher can inspire the student. Without inspiration, what is the work? What the children will feel? The system cannot inspire the children. System only can give the subject knowledge. So even though our task is to deliver good subject content and everything to the children, that is only one part of it. More than that, we have a great role to perform, is inspiring the children. What kind of inspiration we can do? See, like I can remember one teacher, her name is Malati. She is taught me in primary school. Still this I can remember. There are many other teachers who have knowledge also important. More than that, many other teachers I have gone through. Still I am able to remember that teacher Malati because her role is like a parenting role. Whenever I have a problem during my school times, I have her with me. So if I face some issue, she will be with me as a strength. This is what the difference in that teacher make me to remember still these days that teacher name. So I am feeling like you all will be that kind of teacher who can be able to be etched in the memories of the children even after they completed their schooling, all those things. And I wanted to say one more thing, like everybody will say the growth of the nation or the country's development is in the hands of teachers. Why? How the country's development in the hands of teachers? Because we are only the one who can directly interact and inspire the children. The children, see, one child character will influence many people. Just look at one example. In our class, 30 students are there. In this, you can create many doctors and engineers who will be very good in their studies also. But is it possible for you to create one doctor who can look at the patient with a lot of kindness? Be understanding what the patient is feeling instead of thinking about their own career and all those things, what the patient is suffering. There should be some empathy. I have to solve their problem. It's a humanitarian approach. It's a parental approach towards whoever comes to us. So when we look forward our children as like a parent, even they will also learn that in their life, and they will, when they are settled in profession, is it possible for them to look each patient who is coming to them instead of thinking any other thing that I have to solve their problem. This empathy towards the people and humanitarian approach. See, if there is a one doctor who can see the people with the kindness and I have to solve the problem of the patient, whatever may be the job we are doing. Engineers cannot do this kind of job, right? But teachers can inspire the children and doctors can think about like I have to solve the problem of the patient instead of thinking what I am doing. If you think like that, that doctor will not only useful for that career will not be useful only for that particular person or family. It will be useful to the society. That great doctor can give solution to many people around in the society and in the country. So our purpose in our life is as a great teacher, more than the teaching the subject and everything. Of course it is important. More than that, create a better human beings. The children should be better human beings. They should have a kindness towards the people who are suffering. They should see, if a doctor is looking a patient with that, of course he will be career in success in career. He is not going to fail. He have empathy. He can understand the patient's problem better. So I feel like that. It's my personal opinion. Even though we need subject knowledge and everything, if you are able to create a better human beings and better students through inspiring, through your words or through your activities, you will be the most proudest teacher. And please be proud that you all are the teachers at present. And please clap for ourselves, we are the.
Good morning to respected principal, worthy teachers and my dear friends. My name is Krutya. I am from 3rd standard of Siddhicha School of Excellence in home to online classes. My topic is about Teachers Day. Teachers Day is celebrated on the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, who was born on September 5, 1888. He was a great philosopher and teacher. This day is celebrated to know the importance of teacher. Teacher is the first word for a student as they learn many things from teachers. Happy Teachers Day to all my dear teachers. Thank you. I wish you a happy Teachers Day to all my dear teachers. Do you know who is the biggest impact of our life besides our parents? Teachers. They are the golden source whose guidance allows us to know ourselves and walk on the right path. Right from the beginning, teachers have been the stepping stone into the world of education. It is their encouragement, prizes and punishment that have made our school life a memorable one. On this occasion, I would like to say a big thank you to all my dear teachers for making us a great human being.
Good morning to respected principal, worthy teachers and my dear friends. My name is Varsha. I am studying in Sitiksha Schools of Excellence in 3rd standard. Wishing all my teachers a very happy Teachers' Day. In our Indian culture, teachers are compared to God. On this special day, I would like to thank you all for the effort you have put in to make me a better person. Thank you for being my teachers. Thank you.
Morning, ma'am. My name is Mahinder. I am studying 3rd standard. Teachers' Day celebrated on 5th September every year in India. It is celebrated on the birth anniversary Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. First Teachers' Day is celebrated on 5th September 1962. She was an ideal teacher and a great scholar. Happy Teachers' Day. Thank you, ma'am.
My name is Samarth. I am studying in 2nd standard of Sidiksha School of Excellence. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva, Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat, Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Teachers are our second parents. You guide, motivate and inspire all of us. Thanks to all my dear respected teachers. Happy Teachers' Day.
Good morning to respected principal, worthy teachers and my dear friends. My name is Sivanta. I am from 2nd standard of Sitiksha School of Excellence. Today I am here to give a presentation about Teachers' Day. Happy Teachers' Day to all my teachers. I am going to tell you a small poem on my teachers. My teacher is the best. They never rest. They work so hard day and night to make me very bright. Good luck and thank you.
My name is Darshan. Good morning everyone. Respected principal, respected teachers, and very happy Teachers' Day. My lovely Teachers' Day. I will sing beautiful songs. My lovely teachers. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva, Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat, Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha, Guruve Namaha. Happy teachers, my lovely teachers. Good morning to respected principal, worthy teachers and my dear friends. Myself, Sriram. I am from 2nd standard of Sitiksha School of Excellence. Teachers guide us, teachers support us, teachers inspire us, teachers teach us. Today is the day to thank them for holding my little hand and teaching me whatever I know till now. Have a wonderful Teachers' Day. Thank you, ma'am. Good morning to all the teachers. My teacher is the sir who taught me how to shine. Happy Teachers' Day. Thank you, ma'am. Good morning to all the teachers. You are not just a teacher to me. You also an inspiration. Lucky to have you as a guide. Happy Teachers' Day. Thank you, ma'am.
Good morning, respected principal, worthy teachers and my dear friends. We celebrate Teachers' Day for Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. Thank you for all teachers for guide, inspire and motivate us. Thank you.
Respected principal, worthy teacher and my dear friend. My name is Chavya Spirit. I am studying in 1st standard. I am studying in Sitiksha School of Excellence. My topic is Happy Teachers' Day. Happy Teachers' Day. Happy Teachers' Day. Happy Teachers' Day to all my teachers. You are my best friend. You are a role model. You are a legend.
Good morning to everyone. Teachers play a very important role in our life. Teachers are like our parents, friends and mentors. We should obey and respect our teacher. Thank you, teacher. Love you, teacher. Happy Teachers' Day. Good morning to respected principal, worthy teachers. Happy Teachers' Day to all my dear teachers. Thank you for getting us, inspire us and make us what we are today. Thank you once again. Happy Teachers Day to all my lovely teachers. Thank you, ma'am.
Good morning to respected principal, worthy teachers and my dear friends. I am going to talk about Teachers Day. I will begin with this beautiful sloka. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devu Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Sri Guruve Namaha. Teachers Day celebrated on